Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, today we're going to be unboxing a Disney Mickey Mouse and Friend nightlight. Guys, it's beautiful. We're going to show you the settings of it. Guys, it's for indoor use only, battery operated, and 6 hours timer. And here it is, guys. It comes in black and red, and we're going to unbox it and show it to you guys. It's a night light projector, guys. This is an early gift for Nicholas from his uncle and his auntie. So this, guys, we're going to share it with you because we think it's very beautiful, and it will be a nice gift for a baby, a niece, nephew, a little cousin, a little sister, whatever, guys. It'll be a nice little gift. So guys, yes, we're gonna unbox it now, and then we're gonna show you the features to it. It's got different features, 3 different features to it as well. So we're gonna unbox it now and let you guys see how it's looking.
Okay, so you have to twist it to get it out. Now let's lift it out. Okay. There you go. So
it's out of the box.
It's out of the box now.
Is it 3 features? Or 2? These
2.
So it's got 2 features, guys. So we're gonna turn off the okay, there you can see it, but we're gonna turn off the
lights.
We're gonna have to turn off the light so you can get a better view of how it looks. My son, he loves it. Okay guys, so we're gonna show you how it looks.
We're gonna demonstrate it on the carpet instead of on the walls, but it works on the walls. Best working on the walls. So this is the one where it changes colours. As you can see, it's going different colours: blue, white, rainbow, red, green, orange, purple, all different types of colours, guys. It's very interesting, and it shows Mickey Mouse, but you can't really see it.
Star. Do it on the ceiling.
Look, you can see Mickey Mouse. You can see it's like Mickey Mouse and stars.
Do it on the ceiling, actually.
And everything.
Guys, so this is what it looks like. I think it looks better on the rug, you know, actually. We'll put it back on the rug now. Yeah. Guys, the darker it is the brighter it is.
And this is the other setting that I'm talking about. Just stays like this, I think. I haven't actually seen it.
And the other one actually moves around.
Oh, this one's moving. That's
that one moves as well. It's moving.
Oh.
Yeah, so it's got 2 different features, guys.
I think there's another one, if I'm not mistaken.
Is it 2 or 3? 2 or 3, guys.
It's
2 different features, guys. It's amazing.
As you can hear in the background, baby Nicholas is interested.
Excited.
Yeah, he gets excited every single time that we show him this.
Yeah, and he talks when it's not on. He talks. He talks for it, innit, Nicholas?
Yeah.
Innit? Tell them yes. So bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and
subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Here's the Mickey Mouse projector.
You see how much excited?